Hi, my name is Mika Stare. I'm a student from Sweden and a member of Asics Frontrunner. Personally, I use running as a way to clear my mind. I used to have some personal problems in the past and running became my medicine. I want shoes that make me feel fast. I am happy to tell you that the future is here with the new Novablast from Asics. This is a total new shoe that is lightweight and bouncy. It feels like nothing I've tried before. With every step, I feel the extra energy return when I'm pushing forward. When I started, I couldn't even run 1 kilometer, and now I run several times a week. I want to become faster, and I'm sure that Novablast is gonna play a big role for me to reach my goals.